Hi students, this is one more numerical problem on evaluation of distribution factor for an alternator. So here they are asking distribution factor for an alternator with 9 slots per pole. So write the given data. Here only one information is given. Slots per pole. Slots per pole is equal to 9. That is the pole pitch value they given. Now they are asking about the KD value. KD equal to question mark. So what is actually numerical formula for KD? So KD equal to sine of Q gamma by 2 divided by Q sine gamma by 2. So we have to determine what is the Q value and gamma value. So what is the Q formula? Q means slots per pole per phase. So in the first question they are asking one winding in all the slots. What is the meaning of one winding in all the slots? It means that it is a single phase machine. If it is a 3 winding, then you consider it as a 3 phase machine. Here only one winding is used in all the slots. So that's why it is a single phase machine. So that's why here the phase value is 1. So that's why here slots per pole. What is the slots per pole? Given data 9 divided by per phase. Here it is only one winding is used. So that's why phase value is 1. So that's why the Q value is 9 itself. So that is your Q value. So what is your gamma value? Gamma means, what is the meaning of gamma? Gamma means slot angular pitch. That is angle between one slot to the another slot. So here its value is 180. This is a numerical formula, 180 by slots per pole. Slots per pole. So what is slots per pole value? Slots per pole value is 9. So 180 by 9. You got 20 degrees. So substitute these two values in this formula. So you got the KD value equal to sine of Q gamma by 2 divided by Q sine gamma by 2. Sine of Q value is 9 into 20 divided by 2 by Q9 sine of 20 by 2. So its value is 0.6398. 6398. Next, second question. So what is the second question? They are asking one winding using only the first 2/3 of the slots per pole. No doubt, again it is a one winding. So that's why the phase value is 1 itself. So that's why in the second problem, again you have to find out the Q value. What is the Q meaning? Slots per pole per phase. What is the slots per pole? Here the slots per pole is 2/3 of slots per pole. In this case, second case, 2/3 of slots per pole. So that's why 2 by 3 into, what is the slots per pole? 9. 9 by phase. Here it is they given it as a one winding machine. So that's why the phase value is 1 itself. You got 6. What about the gamma? The gamma is no doubt always, the gamma means angle between one slot to the another slot. It is not changing. Only the slots per pole per phase is changing. Clear? So that's why here the gamma value is still 20 degrees. Substitute this 20 and this Q value, new value 6 value in that KD formula. So KD equal to sine of Q gamma by 2 divided by q sine gamma by 2, which is equal to sine of 6 into 20 by 2 by 6 into sine of 20 by 2. Its value is 0.8312. Next, finally, the third question. 3 equal windings placed sequentially. 3 equal windings. 3 equal windings means that the phase value is 3. The phase value is 3. Phase equal to 3. So that's why, so now what is the given data? 3 equal windings placed sequentially in 60 degrees group. What do you mean 60 degrees group means? Here slots per pole per phase comes under 60 degrees. Clear? So that's why here they given it as a Q value equal to slots per pole per phase is equal to, so what is the slots per pole? Slots per pole is 9 divided per phase. Now the phase value is 3 since the 3 equal windings are used, 3. So that's why Q value is 3 now. Now always the gamma value, the angle between one slot to the another slot is always 20 degrees only. So now substitute that Q value and gamma value in the KD formula. So what is the KD formula? Q gamma by 2 divided by Q sine gamma by 2. Sine of what is the Q value, new value 3 into what is the gamma value 20. So 3 20s are 60. So that's why Q gamma is nothing but phase spread. So this is 60 degrees is matching. So divided by 2 divided by Q into, that is 3 into sine 20 by 2. So if you substitute these values, I got 0.9597. 9597. That's it. Thank you.